A roaring 2025 Dodge Coronet RT speeds down an open highway, showcasing its aggressive stance and raw power. The 2025 Dodge Coronet RT is a masterpiece of muscle, blending classic American heritage with modern performance and technology. Dodge has revived the Coronet name with a bold design, an exhilarating V8 engine, and a driver-focused interior that makes every ride a thrill. Whether you're a fan of old-school muscle or looking for a modern-day powerhouse, this car delivers everything you could want. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Coronet RT, it commands attention. The front fascia is menacing, featuring a massive blacked-out grille flanked by sleek LED headlights with signature DRL accents. The sculpted hood houses functional air intakes, hinting at the power beneath. Wide fender flares give the car a planted stance, and the aggressive lines running along the body add to its intimidating presence. The rear end is just as striking, with a full-width LED taillight bar, quad exhaust tips, and a subtle lip spoiler enhancing its aerodynamic profile. Every detail is designed to blend heritage with modern muscle, making it instantly recognizable on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a perfect blend of retro styling and cutting-edge technology. The cockpit is driver-centric with a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in premium leather, featuring paddle shifters for an engaging driving experience. The digital gauge cluster is fully customizable, providing real-time performance data including horsepower output, G-forces, and lap times. A massive 12-inch touchscreen sits in the center, running Dodge's latest Uconnect system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a performance tuning app that lets drivers tweak everything from throttle response to suspension settings. The seats are heavily bolstered, wrapped in Napa leather and Alcantara, offering both comfort and support during aggressive driving. Ambient lighting adds a modern touch, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system ensures that every ride is accompanied by crisp, powerful sound. Under the hood, the 2025 Coronet RT packs a monstrous 6.4-liter HEMI V8, producing over 485 horsepower and 475 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts, but for true purists, a 6-speed manual is also available. The Coronet RT launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds, putting it in serious competition with modern muscle cars. The exhaust note is pure American thunder, with an active exhaust system that can be adjusted from a deep rumble to an all-out roar. Handling is sharper than ever thanks to a reworked suspension with adaptive dampers that allow the car to switch between comfortable cruising and track-ready stiffness. The electronic limited slip differential ensures maximum traction, while the wide Pirelli P0 tires provide superb grip. Massive Brembo brakes with 6-piston calipers up front bring this beast to a stop with confidence. Whether you're carving through canyons or dominating the drag strip, the Coronet RT is engineered to perform at the highest level. Technology isn't just limited to performance. The Coronet RT is packed with advanced safety and driver assist features. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera make daily driving easier without taking away from the raw driving experience. A head-up display keeps crucial information in view, and a new launch control system ensures perfect starts every time. Pricing for the 2025 Dodge Coronet RT starts at around $55,000, making it one of the best value muscle cars on the market. Fully loaded with carbon fiber accents, a panoramic sunroof, and the premium track package, the price climbs to around $65,000. Compared to competitors like the Ford Mustang Dark Horse and Chevrolet Camaro Z-Lone, the Coronet RT offers a perfect balance of heritage, power, and technology at a competitive price. For those who want even more performance, Dodge offers a factory-installed supercharger upgrade that pushes the output beyond 600 horsepower, turning this muscle car into a street-legal monster. Paired with track-focused suspension, tuning, and lightweight carbon fiber components, the Coronet RT becomes a serious contender on the racetrack. The 2025 Dodge Coronet RT is not just a car, it's a statement. It embodies the spirit of American muscle while embracing the future with cutting-edge technology and refined handling. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone looking for the ultimate thrill ride, this car delivers. It's loud, aggressive, and unapologetically powerful. Dodge has done it again, bringing back a legend with modern performance and old-school attitude. The Coronet rubbers rubber as it roars into the sunset, leaving a trail of smoke and adrenaline if you're looking for a car that turns heads, dominates the road, and puts a smile on your face every time you hit the gas. The 2025 Dodge Coronet RT is the one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this beast over the competition? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews. See you in the next one.